Beautiful people, welcome back again to another video. If you are new in this channel, you are highly welcome. This is Queen Sharon Entertainment, a home of freedom fighters. If you haven't joined the family yet, join our family by hitting the red button down below on that bell notification icon, so whenever we have a new video in this same channel, you will get notified. Thank you so much for chilling in, and I love you all. So my people, I have a video that I want you all to watch, and I myself will be watching this particular video with you guys. Feel free to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below after watching. Like this video and share this particular video to the world. Let the world know what is happening in our country called contraction nation called Nigeria. So I will leave you to watch this particular video now.
Okay, now more Chineke. Share this video. This video is for Southeast governors. Mbagara Enugu State mbochi agaba no say na ha bandoro ndị IPOB and the rest of the Biafra agitation. I'm too well na the only thing that binds these Southeast governors together, YPOB. These people are not together. The only thing that binds them together is whenever they want to come together and they talk against Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and they condemn their own brothers. That is the only thing that binds them together. But I want them to see this video and receive small sense. Unu frotune nation na Enugu State na condemn unu before ndem bozo. Na enyu unu topic before ndem bozo. As in Igbos are not together, Igbos are not united. All here unu in Enugu State. You want the Federal Republic of the Zoo called Nigeria, the president, the bold enough, say that an attack against Boko Haram is an attack against the North. Up till now, they don't believe that Fulani herdsmen are terrorist organization. The same Fulani herdsmen non-Ebony State terrorizing them mother. The people that owns that herdsmen don't want to see them as terrorist organization. But you people on Enugu, you prescribe your own brothers. You disown your own brothers publicly. Shame on all of you. Chineke gabuno okunu niile, including that one Snokan president. Nana hi okopem kembowa. Ona hi okopem. You know we no konye nso holy nweche. Okpo oponko. Ona konye nso enyi ego buba. The hottest part of hellfire waits you. The hottest part of hellfire. The hottest part of hellfire waits you. But they are killing people, they are killing Christians. You are but last you want to go to heaven, owned by your grandfather. God will shock all of you at the last day. This is the basis of equality. Do you see the reason why they cannot even condemn their own brothers, not even on newspaper? They don't have a leader now, they're not a terrorist organization. They are just herdsmen and bandits. Till now, they don't believe that they are a terrorist organization. But see the busy assemble, not now condemn your own. You are disowning them. You are disowning them. When you disown them and when you don't disown them, one now wolf here. Those people you are disowning, are you not owing their mothers? Are you not banking their public funds abroad? Are you not training your children abroad with their money? The light you sitting obodo when kitiri, you are disowning them. We disown it is still the same thing because they have already disowned you. Governors, they have disowned you. They are not seeing you people as their leader. That is the reason why somebody gets somewhere in the world. Nobody knows even the country he is. Yet he gets it at home. Everybody obey. Obey. That is who they are. That is, they believe that this man is their leader, not you people. Force, subjugation, you people control the media, forcefully, everybody will obey. Force, you must obey by force, you must obey by force. At the heart of every Igbo person, every Igbo blood, they know who their leader is. Do you understand? Two people will win. Always Chineke. Forget about you bought media over. I condemn you, I disown you, I do you this. The people have already disowned you because Erura has school. Even you where they disown, no more getting abroad now got school. Even you where they disown, you cannot treat yourself in the zoo. Just like Bola Ahmed Tinubu is doing in France. So what is the essence of disowning now? Okay, we disown Haketa now. Or get mega short order an expensive hospital error. The free medical center, will you shut it down? Or get mega napo hawking in her sofa. I don't understand. Or get most money in a roga block hoya, if I don't know or care. We love and we hate is the same thing. People should stop disgracing yourselves. I expect you people to know better. I expect you people to know better. Up till now, unu may allow greed, envy, jealousy. Jidu nasu nukapo, unu zukwani ike, zukwanu ni ike. Apart from Senator Enyi na ya baribe, yeni na hu juru n'Enugu pregnant women. Ana kwacha kande mune miscarriage, onwe nke wo mmato. Unu niile. The only thing that binds you people together, YPOB, shame on you people. Unu ga not together. Prescribe or ban or disown IPOB, but we now got not together. We put one person with the president of Nigeria. You never know she hire. You hear me boku unu. You people can come together, prescribe your brothers, but come together, bring out one person as a presidential candidate. You people cannot do that. IPOB is the only thing that binds people together. Shame on all of you. Peter Obi, Anambra State, Moralo, the same place. Peter Obi na for vice president, Moralo na president. Why can't those two brothers come together and bring out one person? Typical example. Ihere me boku nunile, ndara, black people. Karatu nuneshi. You people stinks. You people are now together in Enugu. 2023 rule now. From somebody from Abia State, you natural president. Somebody from Enugu, natural president. Somebody from Ebonyi, natural president. But if people are together, the only time people come together when it comes to IPOB matter, una dey together prescribe. But when it comes to bring out one person that will be the president of that zoo, ununina bazet your tent. Chowazonyo gawuzi, or my party member, Ihere me boku ununine. Ali bo gasu nod. Munu. Ehunu nine ne kware kan deri. Ne jidru munu na ata ha afofo because of power and politics. Ndembo na ndegede ndi ochi Igbo gasuru n'ọdụ sumu n'ọdụ ndara in a disown ha. Your fellow men cannot come out publicly disown their own brothers. That is the basis of equality. Ihe na emu unu agunu na eshi. Their brothers are busy killing people in Southern Kaduna, killing people in Niger State, killing people in Borno, killing some soldiers in Borno as well. But they cannot come out and call them terrorist organization. They will never. Come on, he won't keep you. Like I said, they are just bandits. But see the busy now, one moment that you are disowning your people. I don't understand. If any of you dies today, that they couldn't get water that now. If Igbos truly love you people or they have disowned people long ago. I won't hear Potaro, you media now. Whatever you tell them is what they will say. Hebrew the media now, they disown this person, they disown that person. Unu leader, somebody take it at home. Everybody may obey. Ground. The only place no ground on a media and newspaper or no ground. As long as Igbo land is concerned, we no ground. That is the simple truth. You people should stop disgracing yourselves. Ban on all like as we no ground on a Igbo. Do you understand? Every Igbo person knows who they are, who knows who they love and who they believe to be their leader. Our whole force. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is not paying anybody. He's not assembling anybody. Come and vote for me. Come and subscribe to me. No. People gave him pure love. But they gave him pure love. That is the leader. So on the wound you are disowning your brothers. Yeah, they are this, they are that. Those same brothers you are disowning. If you in the hall of Rogabi, like you seriously believe in the hall of Roge. Ndije mahan and pahongo for close to 8 months. If you in the hall of Roge, Ndije Gija Alonso Hagana or William Bank abroad, na hotel so na abroad. If you in the hall of Roge. Ndekwa say you consider me when Kimere. If you in the hall of Roge. Abi, you seriously believe in the hall of Roge. Unimiwecha na power, but no wa. Mark this video somewhere, mark this word somewhere, no wa. Ndembo na ndege, then do cheer you. That's room not. Because you nezuzu now moon get bully at last. Oh moon get bully at last. Unu ne disown umukorobia. Disowning you bunu dia, ndiara. ndị mbụ unu nwụkwa ka disko unu kwunu n'ala mmụọ ndị iberibe ndị ochie Igbo disko unu kwunu ala Igbo nna azụkwu disko unu kwunu ndị iberibe mmụọ we are disowning them ndị agha.
Thank you so much for watching that particular video. Please feel free to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Like this video and share this video. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.